finally I've been able to get out. I don't think I've gone camping in, God, 3 months, maybe? There were some months I was going 2 or 3 times within a month. But this is what it's all about. I mean, getting out here, this beautiful area, Central Oregon, all to myself. Pups are out there playing. Pilot. I mean, I'll give you a tour of camp, and then we're gonna go for a walk and explore a little bit. But it's so nice to be out here. There was just maybe 3 or 4 deer that just came through camp. Dogs didn't care. Everyone's just peaceful, you know, just out here enjoying. Still using my Free Spirit recreation tent here. So I have the Wave 2 down here, and I have it actually connected to the Jackery. Ended up getting this awning from Costco for $100 or less. Super nice though, because it has a ton of height up top. So it'll keep the heat off of the tent. Or if it rains, I don't have to deal with the stupid rain fly that's been giving me so much crap. It sets up relatively easy. You can hang stuff on it like a towel. Got my little nightstand right here, which will come inside the tent, which the dog's caught. Dometic water dispenser. Gonna make some fajitas later. Didn't bring a refrigerator this time, just brought a cooler. And then I got this guy over here, which has been really fun to mess with. So, this is battery powered. Turn it on, charges the system. It's a huge reservoir tank in here. And then you have water. So like when Rookie pees on this, I can spray it off. We'll shower with it later. Yeah, you. Got that. Right now it's hooked up to the Jackery. Tonight I may use the heater, I may not. We had the air conditioner on for a little bit, just to cool off. I mean, it makes it so much more comfortable. So let's go explore in nature. Definitely one of the cooler spots. Probably would have been okay here, but you know, I'm okay with mine. It's really neat to come out and explore, to go off-roading, to just have some time to yourself, and you come across sites like this, which, you know, you got some tree cover here, which is great in the summer. You're not too far off the road. You have service, you got a fire pit, nice wide open flat space, plenty of room for the dogs to run, even some grass, right? So it's not all dust and dirt. But then you look out and you have this epic view that just overlooks a meadow where I'm sure you'll see deer and all kinds of other wildlife in the morning. This is exactly what I need to recharge. Like, it really makes the time away, taking a deep breath, it makes it all worth it because it's just pleasant.